We are pleased to show you the 2018 Fusion Hybrid. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.